Excuse me, what's your name again?
Atticus.
Atticus what?
Atticus Young.
I thought it was Angie.
Fuck, I'm Atticus.
No, I thought
A-T-T-I-C-Cus.
I thought your last name was Angie.
Angie.
Yeah, you said your last name was something
My
different.
initials.
Oh.
But my last name's Young. They messed up on the fucking hat, so I said the G, but I meant the fucking Y. My last name's Young.
What do you do in your spare time?
Fly planes.
Oh.
Fighter jets.
How'd you get that cut in your chin?
Pimple.
I see it. That's hot.
Yeah, I scratched it off a few times.
What?
Scratched it off a few times.
Did that pus come out?
Nah, it was mostly blood.
Explain it.
Well, you know, I was just like sitting there like this in class.
What class do you take?
I was in a sophomore seminar. And I popped it. Did you get my computer working?
What else do you do?
Fly planes. Did you get it working?
Where's your accent from?
I'm from Idaho.
Where in Idaho?
Smallville.
What's it like there?
It's small.
Oh. Is there boats?
There ain't no water.
Just planes?
Yeah.
What kind of
We have an Air
planes?
Force base.
What kind of planes do you fly?
Fighter jets.
I thought are those your favorite?
Yeah, well, I like helicopters too.
What are fighter jets like?
Well, we got these jets and we fly them.
Do you?
You know, we don't really get in fights, but we pretend.
Who do you pretend with?
My friends.
Your friends fly jets too?
My friend DL. They Lance.
Oh, what
We fly planes.
does he do?
He drives a helicopter.
What do you do?
What is your shit? Dang, that's fucking fat retard.
Look at the ass.
With my lighter.
It's a little saggy at the moment.
I'll cut you.
What's your name again?
Atticus.
Atticus what?
Atticus Young. I didn't see it.
So tell me more about yourself.
From Idaho.
Is that it?
My sister's a hermaphrodite.
Tell me about that.
She has a dick and a veg.
Do you suck her dick and eat her pussy?
Same time.
What? That's cool. Ooh, my battery's dying. It was nice meeting you.
I'm Atticus.